Annyeonghaseyo to all of you. In today's video, it's going to be a pretty quick and easy stir fry for all of you. And today I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy chicken and sweet snow pea stir fry that you can make any time of the year. It's great over fresh steamed rice, over noodles, whatever you prefer. All of these ingredients are easy to find at your local grocery store, so you can make it pretty much any time of the year. So let's just get to it and show you my super simple and easy chicken and sweet snow pea stir fry. Let's go. So here I have some fresh snow peas that I bought from my local Asian grocery store. You can also use sugar snap peas or any green beans that you prefer. It's really up to you, but I love using snow peas, especially if they're in season, for this dish. So to clean these, I like to trim off the tips here and kind of peel it off to get rid of the sides here. And these sides here are a little bit tougher to eat, so I like to peel it off before I stir fry it. Once these are done trimming, give them a really good wash and allow them to drain and dry up while you prep your other ingredients. To season this stir fry, I have some salt here, some chicken bouillon powder, some oyster sauce, dried chili flakes, I have some garlic powder, and then some minced fresh garlic as well. So for the protein, I'm using some chicken wings, specifically the drumettes and the wingette today. You can use any part of the chicken that you like as well. It's really up to you, or any type of protein that you prefer as well. So in a really good non-stick pan, we're going to add in the chicken. I'm not going to add any oil to this because the chicken will release more oil as you stir fry it. So make sure you use a really good non-stick pan. We're going to season this with some garlic powder and some salt. Give this a really good stir. And then we're going to close this with a lid and allow this to steam and cook for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Just make sure you stir every once in a while so that it cooks evenly. And you're going to continue this process for about 5 to 8 minutes, or until you notice the chicken is completely golden brown and cooked all the way through. Once it's cooked like this, we're going to take off the lid. So you want the chicken crispy because texturally it's just amazing, and it's also much more flavorful. At this point, we're going to add in the minced garlic. Give that a really good stir. And then we're going to go straight in with these snow peas. Season it with some chicken bouillon powder and oyster sauce. And then bump up the heat to high and give this a really good stir and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. You do not want to overcook the snow peas because they will get mushy. You want to make sure the snow peas still has a really good crunch to it. Once the snow peas are cooked to your liking, let's go ahead and add in the dried chili flakes. Give that a really good stir. And this is pretty much done. Go ahead and taste it for seasonings. Other than that, we are going to plate this and we are going to enjoy it simply over fresh steamed rice. And this is it for today's video. I hope you can give this chicken and snow pea stir fry a try because it is so simple and so delicious to eat and make that you can probably make it any time of the year, any day of the week. Until then, I will see you in my next video.